So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize Qwen to generate out Excel sheet. So Qwen AI cannot actually go ahead and generate out Excel sheet right away, but there is a trick in order for you to use in order to generate Excel sheet from it. So for that, you can simply go ahead and give it this prompt. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and say generate a VB script that I can run as a module in Microsoft Excel, so that I have 10 list of fruits with colors and let's say cell colors applied accordingly. So if I were to actually go ahead and then type this in right here, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and then utilize the script right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You got the Visual Basic script code right here, just like this, which actually is being generated. So now as it's being generated, let me just go around onto the Excel side right here. And let me open up the space where I can actually go ahead and run the code. So to do that, you need to have the developer tab opened up. And to go ahead and open up the developer tab, you need to right click on a ribbon area and then go around onto customize the ribbon, and then simply go ahead and enable the developer tab right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can actually go around onto Visual Basic, and then you can go around over here onto insert and then choose module right here, just like this. So once you do that over here in Qwen, you can see that the code has been generated. So let me just go ahead and copy this out and go back right here in Visual Basic. So if I were to go ahead and paste this out now, then you can go ahead and run it, and you can see that the table with the colors has been generated right here in the Excel sheet, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and then generate out Excel sheets as you like using Qwen. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.